Let's solve this together. It says 8 raised to the power x plus 2 is equal to 120. We're required to solve for the value of x in this question. Okay. Now, the first thing we can notice here is that 8 can be expressed in multiples of 2. So 8 is equal to 2 to the power of 3, and 120 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Okay, so 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, times 3 is 24, times 5 is 120. So this is equal to 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Okay, so let's go ahead and substitute 8 and 120 for these multiples in this equation. Okay, so that we're going to have 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power of x plus 2 to be equal to, this is 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Right? Now moving on from here, when you have a to the power of m raised to the power of n, it's equal to a to the power of m multiplied by n. Applying this law here, we're going to have that this becomes 2 to the power of 3 times x is 3x plus 3 times 2 is 6 to be equal to 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Alright, now moving on from here, we're going to have that when you have a to the power of m plus n, it's equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Okay, so this becomes 2 to the power of 3x multiplied by 2 to the power of 6 to be equal to 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now, looking at this closely, we can divide both sides by 2 to the power of 6. Okay, so this becomes 2 to the power of 3x to be equal to 2 to the power of 6 strikes us on this side. Okay, but on this side, we have 2 raised to the power 3 divided by 2 raised to the power 6. So we have 2 raised to the power 3. Let us do like this, divided by 2 raised to the power 6. Okay, now this now will be multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Right? Now this is 2 to the power of 3x. When you have numbers in the same base and you're dividing, you subtract the powers. So this is equal to 3 minus 6 is negative 3. Okay, so we have 2 to the power of negative 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Alright? Now, at this point, we're selecting the logarithm in the base of the number carrying x. And the number carrying x here is 2. We take the logarithm in the base of 2 of both sides. So this is log in base 2 of 2 to the power of 3x to be equal to log to base 2 of 2 to the power of negative 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Alright? Now, continuing from here, you have when you have something like this, you multiply the number and the log. So we have 3x will now multiply log of 2 to base 2 to be equal to, on this other side, when you have this, you split up and put plus. So you see that this becomes logarithm to base 2 of, so this becomes 2 to the power of negative 3. Now this is plus logarithm to base 2 of 3 plus now logarithm to base 2 of 5. Okay. Now moving on from here, you can say that logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. So this is logarithm of 2 to base 2, so it's 1. 1 times 3x is 3x to be equal to negative 3 multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 2 plus logarithm of 3 to base 2 plus logarithm of 5 to base 2. Okay, so 3x now becomes equal to negative 3 multiplied by this is 1 times negative 3, which is negative 3, plus this is logarithm of 3 to base 2 plus logarithm of 5 to base 2. Okay, now moving on from here, you can divide both sides by 3. So we have that x here becomes equal to 3 divided by 3 is 1, so this is negative 1 plus this is log 1 over 3 multiplied by logarithm of 3 to base 2 plus logarithm of 5 to base 2. Okay, so this now is the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.